Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove your TikTok profile picture. So if you go to your profile right here at the bottom right corner, you will see that there is no option on your profile to actually delete this profile picture. All you can do is change your picture, but what you can do right here is select that option where it says change photo. And right here you have the option to take a new photo or select it from the gallery. So what you have to do is just select this option, take photo. And after that you just have to put down your phone on a flat surface and just take a photo like this. So as you can see right now, if you take this photo on a flat surface, you have this option right here to save this new photo, which is a completely black background photo. Basically, as I told you, you cannot remove your profile picture, but you can do this instead and remove the profile picture. So this is one thing you have to do, or one thing you can do, and the other thing is you can just go to your browser on your mobile phone. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and right here you can search for TikTok profile picture. Go to the images section, and you have right here this profile picture. I mean, this is the basic profile picture for your TikTok, and you just hit these three dots right here and select save. If you want to download it, just tap and hold on this image and select download image. And as you can see, we are downloading this file. And if you go back to your TikTok account right here and select edit profile and again change photo, you can select it from the gallery, and from the gallery you can select the photo that you have just downloaded and set it as your profile picture. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.